Vegetable paella. Prepare the ingredients. Tear a handful of oyster mushrooms in half, trim the ends off a handful of beans, dice the beans, chop 1 capsicum into small pieces, chop 1 cup of cherry tomatoes in half, grate the zest of 1 lemon, crush 2 garlic cloves, dice 1 onion, pour some stock over a pinch of saffron, chop a bunch of parsley, peel the 2 corn cobs, grill the corn over an open flame, cut the corn kernels off the cob. The ingredients are now ready to cook. Add a splash of vegetable stock to a hot pan. Add the onion and saute for 2 minutes. Add the oyster mushrooms. Saute over a high heat. Add the chopped capsicum. Add the lemon zest. Add the 2 cups of short grain brown rice. Stir well to coat the rice. Add the soaked saffron and stir. Add 1 cup of vegetable stock. Continue to stir until the liquid is absorbed. When the stock has absorbed, add the rest of the stock, then cover with a lid and cook until it's all absorbed. Remove the lid, then stir. Add the tomatoes, add the corn, add the beans, stir and scrape the crunchy rice from the pan. Sprinkle with paprika and chopped parsley. Then serve.